Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgo Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The creator of Mega Motivational videos are produced by supergoodproducts.com. They are an elite vendor on Warrior Plus and have at least 14 products available on this platform. In a nutshell, Mega Motivational videos hits one of the hottest trends in social media with variable motivational videos, and it comes with a complete PLR rights. Now, there are 6 things you should know about this product. You can grow your social media platform. If you sell this product, you can keep all the profits. After all, it's PLR. You can use the videos in a variety of niches. You can boost them or sell them, and it's entirely up to you. The price increases with each product sold. And when watching videos, research says that people retain the message 95% of the time rather than 10% when reading. Now, the sales funnel goes like this. The front end is $12.96 for 100 motivational videos. But again, be aware that price increases as the product is sold. There are upsells ranging from $9 to $147, and they include upgrades, children's and timeless ebook combos, digital planning combo, and a big product store unlimited combo. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but get less of the product. Need to know more? Well, click the Mega Motivational Videos link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below.
And my 4 bonuses? Well, they show you how to supercharge your online empire and get access to free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. We'll show you how. We'll show you how to gain reoccurring income online with ease. And you can earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.